Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. Starts off opening our calendar application. In it, tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 25, and there this plus icon. First step, you can add title of your event, what you need. There we can add emoji to that and change color about notification to this event. In this part we can set when event starts and finish in which time, or by the switch you can turn on, it will be all day event. Location of that, there we can get access to about what is it, this event about our house, work, family or something like that. There we can set when notification about that when we get alert, repeat of that if we need, and we can add more than one notification because I don't save that. Notes to our event, we can make video conference when event start, add attachment and invite some people in the last step. When you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save, and we add it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.